Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a tutorial for this makeup look and a hairdo look as well. So let's get started. Before starting, I want to share this dainty jewelry from these two brands and I really loved it. The link will be in the description box. Also, you can find links for the makeup used in the description box. So let's get started. Starting with my eye makeup with Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette, I'm using this shimmer shade and I'm tapping it on my eyelid and it looks really flattering. Now using the matte light pink peach shade and also adding some depth with a brown shade. Using Faces Canada magnetized liner, the brush in it is really fine and helps in creating a really thin and precise eyeliner. I'm using my current favorite mascara from Milani. It adds a perfect amount of drama I need in my eyelashes. Starting with this Faces Canada eyeliner just to add a little bit of color because I just wanted it to be not so monochromatic look, just added a bit of color using the very famous LA Girl Pro Concealer Natural, and I'm not using a foundation today, actually just keeping it light and minimal using this blush duo. It is very chic and has a very satin finish. I'm using a combination of two lip creams from NYX, Cypress, and Games, and the color came out really pretty. I'm using this brush which I got recently from Agaro, and it's an Amazon find. Also in my Amazon storefront, you can find the link in the description as usual. And this pretty dainty necklace from Jiva, and this is the final look, and how it came out is really subtle and pretty. You can get it on Valentine's or upcoming events. Thank you for watching. I will see you very soon. Bye.